Hi guys, today we will be talking about minimum viable product, MVP. The minimum viable products are the step-by-step in the achievement of the final product. For example, every article in a newspaper can be considered an MVP. There is a 4-moment cycle to follow for the development of each MVP. Moment 1. Learning by doing. You must gather all the information required to develop the MVP properly, both related with the MVP itself and related to your project. Related to the MVP, we will need information such as definition, types, examples, among others. And related to your project, we need to gather information about main concepts, specific information to be addressed, project's relevance and impact, interdisciplinary abilities and competences, among others. In this moment, you will apply all the concepts learned to actually develop the product defined. While doing it, you will have to be aware of the quality criteria proposed for it. Moment 2. Small socialization. Once you finish with the elaboration of the MVP, you must socialize your group's work with the rest of the class and use it in order to spread the knowledge you acquired to your classmates. The socialization is assessed subjectively, considering the quality criteria previously defined by students and taking into account the development of interdisciplinary knowledge. Here, you will have to socialize group results, share acquired knowledge, and ask yourself, does this MVP develop interdisciplinary knowledge and transversal abilities? Moment 3. Evaluation, assessment, and metacognition. Every MVP must meet a minimum criteria for it to be successful. So here you'll find some of these aspects. Each MVP must be evidence of a learning process. It needs to help answering your inquiry question. It has to lead to consolidate the final product. Every one of them is accessible. It shows cognitive processes and the acquisition of skills, concepts, and competences. It also develops interdisciplinary knowledge. And it has a minimum level of complexity. Moment 4. Adjustments and improvements. We can always make things better. After the socialization of the MVP, you'll receive feedback on your work, both from your partners and your teacher. Listen to them carefully and make the necessary adjustments. You'll be able to present it again after you've done it. Finally, let's see some examples of what could be and what should not be an MVP. A blueprint or a design can be an MVP. A house drawing cannot be an MVP. A recipe can be an MVP. A shopping list cannot be an MVP. What other MVPs do you think you can use for this project?